I've spent the last 20 years of my life dedicated to the salon industry. I've seen everything. Now, my passion lies with sharing great content with people all over the world. I'm going to create something very unique where I'm putting two of the best barbers up against each other in a one-on-one competition. This is Head to Head.
My name is Jariel Felices. I've been a barber for 6 years, and I work at Empire Barbershop in North Arlington, New Jersey.
How you doing? My name is Sharif, AKA your favorite barber's barber. Been cutting for over 18 years now, and I was kind of born into this. My father, my older brother, this is what we do, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't have no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is what it is.
What is going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and welcome to episode 2 of Head to Head, where I'm bringing the best local barbers together to compete one versus one against each other. So the barbers will have 45 minutes to complete their haircuts, and you guys will be the judges of who you think is the best barber.
I'm very excited to be here today to showcase my work and show that I'm one of the best barbers around. Doesn't matter if I'm young or not, and I'm ready to win this.
Me and my brother, we just opened a barbershop in December. We co-owners now. We've been doing this around the same amount of time. He a little bit older, so he got a little on me, but yeah, man, we gonna push through. I appreciate you for having me. I'm gonna do my thing, man. You know, I'm sure you're gonna do his thing, but I ain't worried about nobody but me.
I always wanted to become a barber because I've always been obsessed with how my hair looks. And this was a time when I had no money and I just started cutting myself. I went from cutting myself and my friends in the basement to being a manager at a barbershop and cutting athletes and rapper stars like Irv Gotti.
just so you know, you are the guys who are going to vote for the winner. And simply go to youtube.com/TheSalonGuy, and then go to my community tab. And then you'll see each of the barbers there, and you can cast your vote there, and it will be polled to see who the winner is. So this is the time where the most interesting part of this whole battle happens. So each of the barbers is going to have a look at what the other barber did.
Man, I was nervous at first, super nervous, but once I turned those clippers on and I got cutting, I'm in my comfort zone and I knew I was gonna take the competition.
It's finally over, man. Been waiting all week for this. Nervous, we ain't gonna get into curses and all that, but nervous. But you know, as soon as you turn them clippers on, it's back to what you do. I like my man work. I ain't gonna front. It was cool. Brought a little lineup in the back, but you know, maybe he like it like that. I don't know.
I like the guy's work. His work is pretty good. His fading's tight, but his line looked a little tricky to me. His design, I felt my design was a little bit better, a little more sharp. But you know, it is what it is. YouTube viewers, vote for me, please.
I had fun. I hope he did too. Friendly competition. Hope I'll be back. Check for me, man. Your favorite barber's barber.
All right, YouTube. Now it's up to you guys to vote for the winner. So either this barber or this barber. And how you vote is you go to youtube.com/TheSalonGuy, or you're probably here already, but go to my community tab. In the community tab, you'll see these two barbers, and you can click which one you think is the winner. They both did an amazing job. To me, they're both winners, but really it comes down to you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Head to Head.